It's Crypto Leverage Trading. Hope everyone's doing well this Wednesday morning, a little after 8 a.m. here in the Eastern United States. Again, hope everybody's had a great week. We're kind of where we thought we were going to be, actually, after last week. Remember, we're now in the month of May. We've got a lot of things, got some headwinds coming, and so that's what's happening with the market overall. But yesterday, what we saw inevitably was the U.S. stock market was up 7, 8, 900 points, and so that creates a little bit of divergence in a sense of differing factors. We got the interest rate hikes in America, the economic reports. Again, what typically happens here is the administration comes out with its positive spin, it gets digested, and then fact checkers, whoever they are, look at it and determine whether or not, people feel what they feel. Like that in terms of inflation, in terms of sentiment, in terms of, basically the president of the United States currently underwater in all the polls. I think he's polling like 36, 37%. Which is probably the lowest of any president, probably maybe Reagan in his first term, or definitely Carter. I don't know, but that's like 70. That's like 76 to 80. 82, 1982. So that tells you how bad it really is, and then how the machine is so out of touch. You also have a lot of stuff happening right now that I think is kind of like a window into the future of what we're going to get with crypto in the United States. So you now have the entertainment side kind of following the political side. I was driving yesterday and on the radio, it was like, of all people, Colin Cowherd, who's a sports guy, went on like a 2-minute rant about Bitcoin, which he knows nothing about. Which is like the talking points of people that are like anti-Bitcoin. Like it was like, I don't know where it fit into his narrative of sports in terms of what he was trying to get across. It was kind of like with Elon Musk and stuff like that. He was kind of drawing in on Mark Cuban and Elon Musk. And it's like, they're billionaires. I mean, like, so you got billionaires involved in crypto there that are, I think he called them techno-tunists or something, like, that they're that they believe, people that believe that technology is going to save the world are kind of dysfunctional. Okay. But in the end of the day, you have to remember, Bitcoin's not for Colin Cowherd. Bitcoin's not for Warren Buffett. Bitcoin really isn't for Elon Musk. If you think about it, like, people that are millionaires, like those people that are always on TV, that are always talking, the function and use cases for Bitcoin aren't really for them. They were never meant for them, that elite class. People who are upper middle class, it was never meant for that. And so that's what you have to understand. That's why I don't pay any credence to a 90-year-old man not having any confidence in Bitcoin. Why should he? The generation that he's from, that's my dad's generation. Okay? My dad's in his mid-90s. I don't expect my dad to buy Bitcoin, use Bitcoin. But my kids will use Bitcoin. My kids will use cryptocurrency. My kids will use Cash App, PayPal. Warren Buffett doesn't use PayPal, okay, Cash App. Either does Colin Cowherd. Like, right? Like that's not, they don't need to worry about that, And so that's just kind of faced when you hear kind of all that stuff. So now you get the market today kind of coming back down like we expected off of 40,000. That's a supply-demand barrier. Okay, we got some reds here, so I know some mates exited the trades here this morning already or late last night. But if you look at what the call levels were, okay, going into this, you can see, Bitcoin 37,970. It's now 39,500. We know it got to 40,000. Okay, Ethereum 2,772 was the call entry. It's now 2934 plus 584, even higher than Bitcoin's return. And then XRP 788. Same time frames, mates. These trades were entered